Hi students, here I am Simran Kaur, your new teacher of science in place of Gauri ma'am. So today we will study science of class 8, chapter 7, Cell, Structure and Function. Let's start. We know that a group of cells make a tissue. जो ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स होते हैं वो टिश्यू बनाते हैं. A group of tissues performing the same function make an organ. और जो group of tissues होते हैं वो organ बनाते हैं. And many organs functioning together make an organ system. So this is how organ system is made. Now, the basic unit in any living organism is the cell. A cell is called the structural and functional unit of an organism. So, in this chapter, we will learn about the structure of cells and their functions. Now, we will come to the topic that is discovery of cells. In 1665, an English scientist named Robert Hooke, he actually observed a thin slice of cork under his crude microscope. Then he noticed some tiny empty spaces which is enclosed by walls. He saw that they looked like compartments and named them cells. उसे लगा कि ये कैसे दिखते हैं compartments की तरह, तो उसने उनका नेम रख दिया cells. Now in 1670, a Dutch man named Antony van Leeuwenhoek observed and described the cells in a drop of pond water using a microscope. And in 1838, a German botanist, Matthias Jakob Skelleden, declared that the cell is the basic building block of all plant material. And Theodor Schwann, a German biologist, declared that animal tissues are made up of cells. And finally, he concluded that cell is the basic unit of life. तो हमें इस सब से ये पता चला कि cell हमारा basic unit है life का. Now, scientists observe and study living cells using microscopes as they magnify objects that are difficult to observe through the naked eye. हम अपनी naked eye से cells को नहीं देख सकते because they are very, very, very small. Now, here are variations in cell number. Living organisms may be made up of a single cell or many cells. So, living organisms है वो single cell के बने हुए हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा cells के. An organism which made up of a single cell is called a unicellular organism, where uni means single and cellular means celled. और एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हैं यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म के लाइक अमीबा, पैरामीशियम, यूगुलेना, ईस्ट एंड बैक्टीरिया. इन एन यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म a single cell performs all life functions including feeding, movement, respiration and reproduction. Now we'll come to multicellular organism. An organism which made up of many cells is called a multicellular organism, where multi means many. और examples क्या है हमारे multicellular organism के? Plants and animals including human beings. Now here are variations in cell shape and size. Cells become specialized to perform specific functions and exist in different shapes. और ये exist करते हैं different shapes में. They can be disc shaped, वो disc shaped के हो सकते हैं cells हमारे, polygonal, branched और even without any fixed shape as seen in amoeba. और इनकी कोई shape भी नहीं हो सकती, कोई fixed shape नहीं हो सकती, जैसे कि हमने अभी amoeba में देखा है उसकी कोई fixed shape नहीं होती. So nerve cells are elongated. Nerve cells जो होते हैं वो elongated होते हैं as they need to carry messages to different parts of the body. Muscle cells are cylindrical and branched. जो muscle cells होते हैं वो cylindrical होते हैं और branched होते हैं. They help in movement by contracting and relaxing. And skin cells are flat in shape to produce a large surface area for covering the body for protection. Now we'll come to the white blood cells, which is also known as WBCs, which can change their shape, जो अपनी shape change कर लेते हैं to help in destroying the germs in the body. और ये जो हमारी body में germs होते हैं उन्हें ये destroy कर देते हैं. Sperm cells need to swim long distances, so they have a wiggy tail to propel themselves. इनकी shape क्या होती है? एक wiggy tail जैसे होते हैं. Cells in plants may be hexagonal. Cells जो plants में होते हैं वो hexagonal हो सकते हैं, rectangular हो सकते हैं, spherical हो सकते हैं, depending on their functions. The size of cells may be as small as a micrometer or as large as a few centimeters. Now the smallest living organism is the bacterial cell, जिसकी रेंज क्या होती है? Which ranges in size from 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. Human nerve cells are said to be the longest cells. जो human nerve cells होते हैं उसको हम सबसे बड़े cells होते हैं, सबसे longest cells होते हैं. Now how to prepare a slide to view cells. अगर हमें cells को देखना हो तो हम उसके लिए एक slide prepare करेंगे. As most living cells are microscopic in nature. Actually, they are viewed with the help of a compound microscope, जिसको हम compound microscope से ही देख सकते हैं. To view a cell under the microscope, the specimen is first placed on a glass slide. अगर हमें सेल को देखना हो माइक्रोस्कोप से तो एक हमें सैंपल लेना होगा और उसे कहाँ पे रखेंगे हम? ग्लास स्लाइड पे. And this step is called mounting. Now mounting can be carried out in laboratory in two ways. Mounting laboratory में दो ways का होता है, जैसे dry mounting और wet mounting. And in dry mounting it does not require water. Dry mounting में हमें water नहीं चाहिए, whereas in wet mounting we require water. A dry mount is generally used for viewing inanimate objects. जो dry mount होता है उसमें हम क्या view कर सकते हैं? जो हमारे dead objects हैं. And the specimens to be viewed under a microscope are often stained, colored using dyes like methylene blue, saffronin or crystal violet. Stains are absorbed by the tissues and organelles present in the cell, which brightens and differentiates them, making it easier for us to view the detailed structure. इससे हमारे लिए easy हो जाता है कि हम उसके detailed structure को view कर पाएं. एक cell के detailed structure को हम लोग view कर पाएं.